Alright guys, welcome back to Jeremy's Tech, and today's video we're gonna do an unboxing of this Logitech G515 Lightspeed TKL. So yeah, this is my newest purchase for the keyboard. So I'm replacing my current keyboard, which is a full-size one. So I decided to go with this one because it's smaller, more compact, and it's also it's wireless. So this is my first ever like wireless keyboard. You can see it's Lightspeed. So yeah, we're going for something different, and also supports Bluetooth as well, and has some lighting. But let us open the box. So yeah, let's take a look at it behind. It looks like this. So we're gonna open it and see the keyboard itself, and we also do a quick like typing test just to see the sound and everything. But yeah, let's cut the box and then cut this side. Yes, and then that's it. So it should be able to open. Wait, there's a seal here as well, seems like. So we cut this side. Okay, and then this side as well. Okay, you should be able to open, and here we go. So we are equipped with this like manual kind of guide here. Very simple instructions over here as well. You can see on the right is a Bluetooth method. We also can log into the G-Hub software, which I'll show you guys later actually, what you can customize. But yeah, you got a few methods you can connect this keyboard with. You also can use the wire as well, but I mean the whole purpose I got this is for the wider experience. But if you want to use the cable as well, you can. And yeah, and let's open it up. So we got the, okay, this one is they're asking you to download the software, as I said, which actually give you more customization options. So let's put this aside first, see what else do we get. So we got this just bunch of user manual documentation, I would say. So I'm gonna put this aside. Let's see what we get in the box. So we got some cables here. Let's open it up. Okay, so these are the extension ones. So you got a USB-A here to USB-C, so you can use this keyboard wired as well if you want. And we also have the extension, you can see here. Yeah, so that's pretty nice. And then I think we should get some more stuff. Let's open up. I think that's it. Sure, is there anything else missing? No, I think that's about it. So yeah, so I'm gonna put this to the side, and let's take a look at the keyboard itself. So yeah, let's unwrap the stuff. The receiver should be inside, so let me show you guys. So this is the keyboard. I got the black version. There is a white one as well, but I just like black for some reason. I don't like white because it can get dirty very easily. So black, it's not so obvious, so that's why I went for this one. So behind, this is where the receiver is, as I was saying. So you can connect this to the PC and connect via the wireless signal, also known as Lightspeed. So yeah, we can try that out later. And this is the kickstand. You got the 4-degree angle and the 8-degree angle, depending on how you want to type on your desk. I will most likely use the 8 one because I prefer it to be slanting. So this is how the back looks like. We got some paddings at the side here as well, at the back and the top as well. Pretty nice. And these are the keys. So we got some, this is the light speed indicator, we got the Bluetooth indicator, we got the game mode indicator. Over here is the caps locks and the battery indicators up here, and this is just the switch to on off the keyboard. I'm not sure there's battery, we can try turning it on. Oh, there's battery already, you can see. So it did light up, but I'm gonna connect to my desktop shortly. This is just an unboxing. So yeah, this one thing nice about this one is it's very silent. So you can see I'm just typing. Generally it's barely even noticeable, and the actuation point is really fast. So I think this is a really nice keyboard if you're into like esports stuff, esports gaming. I would say it's gonna be very responsive and fast. So even though it's wireless, I think it's going to be really nice as well. So very fast. But yep, that is the unboxing of the Logitech G515 TKL. So this one doesn't have a numpad, which mine actually has, so I don't really use it, so it's fine. So that's why I went with something like this, so it's more compact and I have more space on my table. So that's the whole reason I got this one, and it's very affordable as well, so that's why I got it. Yep, that's all for the unboxing. Let's move on to the setting up of this with my desktop, and then we'll also set up the Logitech G Hub software and connect it and try to customize the lightings and everything. So yep, be right back. Alright guys, so now you can see on my screen, I have a screen here on my desktop. This is the Logitech G Hub software, so it is recommended to install this if you want to get the full experience of your keyboard. So you can see now on screen, yeah, so this is the keyboard. It's already connected. Now it's charging right now because the battery is not full, so I decided to plug it in. And there was a firmware update as well, so that's why I had to plug it in order to update the firmware. Other than that, yeah, we're good to go and all connected via wirelessly as well. So yeah, you can see on screen, this is how you customize the lights. So right now it's on fixed, so we can change to like breathing, for example. You can change the color, so it's really customizable. You can see now it's red, and then yeah, you can change the rate, the brightness, and so on. You can even put I think pulsar point. This one also was quite good. You can see you can customize like I think the lights. Let me see. Not this one, sorry. Freestyle. Yeah, this one you can customize individual buttons like the lighting and everything. So it's really nice. And we also have a ripple. This one is like if you press, you can see it does that ripple effect. Very cool, right? Yep. And then we have I think starlight as well. This one, yeah, you can see it's doing the starlight thingy. Echo press, I think it's when you press, yeah, it does sort of like fade away a bit, you can see. And I can show you one more, the color cycle. This one I think it just, yeah, changes color. You can reduce the rate if it's too fast. Yeah, so this one I think is very fast, so you can reduce it. Yep, so really nice. If you like to customize the lightings, it's really good. They also have assignments as well. I mean, you can customize, yeah, they give you like a tutorial of how to remap keys and assign like macros and everything. So yeah, you can customize the G shift as well, because this keyboard, I think, yeah, you can do a customization over here, and you also can do the G shift key. So really cool. You can map, but I'm not gonna touch this in the moment. So yeah, because it's over here. I think this is the one. F1 key is the key you can do the changes as well. But yep. And then we have the game mode. So this game mode, if you turn it on, it will disable some of the keys. So if I turn on, I think Windows won't work. Yeah, Windows is not gonna work. So you can see it's faded. So yes, that is the game mode. You can do custom as well, but I think default is good. Yep, so that is like a rough idea of the software that you get when getting this keyboard. Let's do a quick typing test. So this is meant to be quite silent, so I'm just gonna type something. Let me get the like notepad or something. Right, so I have a notepad here, so let's try. Oh, it's very silent. So testing 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. So this is my normal typing behavior. So this is the sound you can expect. So let's say I type very fast like this. This is me typing really hard, and that is how loud it can get. If I just type normally, it's barely even noticeable. It's really nice. Wow, I'm really impressed. But so yeah, that's the typing test. What you guys think? I think it's pretty good. And yeah, and this keyboard, as I said, is small, you can see, so I have more space for my mouse. So previously, my old keyboard, I have to extend like this, and my mouse doesn't even have enough space to even move. So now at least I have some space to move like this or something, because it was so tight, and now I have some space here. So that is one of the good things. And this is wireless, so once I fully charge this thing, it should last a while. I'm not sure how long. I think it's about 30 plus hours with all the lights on, but we'll test it out and see. But overall, you can treat it as a wired keyboard if you want, but I mean, I would just take this off honestly. So yeah. And that's all for me guys, just a quick unboxing and a first look at the Logitech G515 TKL. What you guys think? Link in the description if you're interested in buying this product. I'll put a link if you want to buy it. It's an affiliate link, so if you buy it, I'll get some kickback as well. So yep, that's all for you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next one. Peace.